مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. ويلا, let's begin. مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. بهذا الدرس in this lesson راح أحكي عن الفرق بين شوية أفعال مثل فعل فكر, اعتقد, ظن, and so on. So how would you accurately express yourself in Arabic using these verbs and without getting mixed up? The best way to learn is through useful examples. So فكر generally means to think about something and not to believe or give an opinion about something. So أنا عم فكر ب. I'm thinking about something. أنا عم فكر بشيء. We use it mainly in conjunction with be. So أنا عم فكر بجوزي. I'm thinking about my husband. أنا عم فكر بولادي. I'm thinking about my kids, and so on. However, the difference between verb فكر and verb اعتقد or verb ظن is these two verbs mainly is to believe or guess or presume something. So let's look at these examples. أنا عم فكر كتير بالامتحانات. I'm thinking a lot about the exams. عم فكر كتير بالامتحانات. But if I want to say إذا بدي أقول that I believe or I think the exams are hard, then I'm gonna use verb اعتقد to believe something. To think or believe in that sense. So أنا بعتقد إنه الامتحانات صعبة. So we can use with إنه or without, that doesn't matter. So we can say بعتقد الامتحانات صعبة or بعتقد إنه, and insert إنه over here. I believe that or I believe, just as in English you can say I believe that or I believe بعتقد إنه or بعتقد الامتحانات صعبة. Now with verb ظن, it implies that there's a bit of guessing, doubt. Because ظن as a noun means doubt. Okay, so I think, I believe, I'm not entirely sure. بظن إنه الامتحانات صعبة. I'm guessing that. I believe that. So there's a bit of guesswork. That's the difference. And as well, if you want to express something from your point of view, you can also use these phrases. برأيي. رأي is an opinion, so we can say برأيي, in my opinion. Because normally we ask شو رأيك or شو رأيك. What do you think of something? Literally means what's your opinion, and that's attached to the possessive pronoun. شو رأيك نروح على السينما اليوم? What do you think of, or how about we go to the cinema today? شو رأيك? شو رأيك نروح نتعشى, to go out and have dinner? برأيي هيدي فكرة حلوة. So I think it's a good idea. So we're literally saying in my opinion. We can also say بعتقد إنه هيدي فكرة حلوة. I think this is a good idea. أو بظن هيدي فكرة حلوة. We can also say بالنسبة إلي, according to me, literally بالنسبة إلي, أو من وجهة نظري, in my point of view, if you're speaking about something that someone brought up. What do you think of this particular topic or something that's going on? So بالنسبة إلي, من وجهة نظري, برأيي, بعتقد, بظن. And also someone mentioned this verb the other day, بفتكر. So بفتكر is the same thing. I think, I guess, you know, I'm not entirely sure. I think, I'm guessing, بفتكر. It's not فكر. It's not بفكر. فكر is I think about something, as I mentioned earlier, بفتكر. So you're using more higher cognitive action over here. So بفتكر, for example, over here, بفتكر إنه الامتحانات صعبة. I think, I guess the exams are hard. And بفتكر can also mean to recall something. So بفتكر أشياء من وقت طويل. I'm remembering things from a long time ago. So it could imply as well, depending on the context, that either you're thinking of something or that you're remembering or recalling something. But most commonly in Lebanese, to be honest, we're going to use بعتقد, بظن. You can use برأيي, preposition plus a noun plus the possessive. بالنسبة إلي من وجهة نظري. And just be mindful. أنا عم فكر بي, I'm thinking about something. Okay, so that's basically the main differences, but obviously according to the context and the examples, we have to be careful what we're using. So the more that you're exposed to different examples and various situations to be able to practice and use those verbs, the more you'll get proficient. هذا كان كل شيء, and I hope this quick lesson was useful to you. شكرا لكم.
شكرا للمتابعة. Thank you for watching. Make sure to click on the channel icon and go to the store button to check out some cool merchandise.